Buti na lang, kahit hindi ako 100% qualified for the job description or for the requirements, I still applied.
Buti na lang, di ako napadala sa takot ko at pinursu ko talaga yung pag-a-apply being a VA.
Buti na lang, nilabanan ko yung katamaran sa pagsasubmit ng video intro.
Buti na lang nag-push through ako kasi dati I was about to give up. I was about to look for other ways how to earn online during pandemic.
Buti na lang, kahit hindi ako 100% qualified for the job description or for the requirements, I still applied. For a disclaimer ha. So, what I mean by not being fully qualified is I didn't tick every single one, but at least I'm there 80% of the way and I know na yung 20% I can easily learn. So, yung mga job openings na ganun, I just, went for it and still applied. Kung hindi, I'll probably still be stuck in corporate, not enjoying all the freedom that I have now.
Buti na lang because of my perseverance, determination, and walang hanggang patience because nga mahirap tayo, ay eto na tayo, medyo umaabante na yung buhay. Kung hindi, ay hindi ako makakuha ng stable na client which is Coconut VA and hindi ako makakapunta sa iba't ibang countries like Australia, like Japan, and Thailand, and Italy, oh my gosh, Europe, di ba? Oh, and ano pa ba? Vietnam, mga ganun.
Buti na lang talaga nag-switch ako to virtual workspace kasi may time na ako sa sarili ko compared noon kaysa naman mag-commute every day. And mas may time din ako sa family ko, which is important talaga sa akin. And ayun, may life-work balance talaga being a virtual assistant. Kung hindi ako nag-push through, siguro nasa office pa din ako ngayon and may mas better pa talaga out there kaysa sa nasa office lang ako palagi.
Buti na lang, I worked hard, I aimed higher, I built myself to be better, and then gathered more experiences. And after that, God led me to Coconut VA, genuinely my answered prayer. Kung hindi, being a mom of two wonderful kids, eldest daughter, youngest son, I don't know where I would be today. If I didn't take that risk, hindi ko sana kayang supportahan din pati family ko, especially my mom, who has been my pillar throughout this whole journey. She still is. Lumalapit pa din ako sa kanya for advice and guidance. For all the stress I've caused my parents before, being a mom of two kids at this age, I think it's time that I am able to give back to them.
Buti na lang, nag-try ako talaga mag-apply, nagpursigi ako, nilabanan ko yung kaba ko kahit na wala akong VA experience, let alone work experience. Kung hindi, I wouldn't have the luxury of traveling and working at the same time and also having the job security that I have right now and the benefits of working as a freelancer.
Buti na lang, nilabanan ko yung katamaran sa pagsasubmit ng video intro. Before kasi, kapag nakakita ako ng job posting, tapos it requires video intro, ay sis, skip agad yan. Kung hindi, I wouldn't be part of Coconut VA. And I wouldn't experience this great working culture and, get above average pay or rate.
Buti na lang nag-push through ako kasi dati I was about to give up. I was about to look for other ways how to earn online during pandemic. Kasi yung first few agencies and clients na in-applyan ko, hindi ako tinawagan, hindi ako banalikan, ginost ako. Pero buti na lang nilaban ko. Kung hindi ko to nilaban, ibig sabihin nun ay wala akong sariling space sa social media. Hindi ako makakapag, impart sa mga audience ko about virtual assistants. I wouldn't be here right now. I wouldn't be enjoying the fruits of my labor. I wouldn't be able to, provide for my family as a breadwinner. And I would be able to travel around and enjoy work at the same time. I wouldn't be able to have this life-work balance na in-enjoy ko ngayon.
Buti na lang, I have decided to pursue virtual assistant career even if may doubts ako. At the very start, I'm so worried na kasi unpredictable yung income when it comes to virtual assistants. So, ayun yung perception ko right after na nag-jump in ako with a virtual workspace. And tinatanong ko pa nga kung para dito ba ako kasi I'm an extrovert person, social butterfly, so most of the time wala akong kausap. Kung hindi ko pinush through ang virtual assistant career, for sure hindi ko marirealize na mali pala yung naunang perceptions ko on diving into virtual workspace. And that's where I found out that there's also community inside virtual workspace. You may meet other people virtually and physically, and that's how nag-start yung Coconut VA, and that's why I love Coconut VA more. And also, kaya nilang i-secure yung income mo and stability mo sa job.
Buti na lang, di ako napadala sa takot ko at pinursu ko talaga yung pag-a-apply being a VA. Kung hindi, I am not where I am right now and I won't experience the freedom that I have right now being a VA.
Buti na lang, naisipan ko talagang mag-apply nun. Pinursigi ko yung sarili ko. Nasabi ko, walang mangyayari kung hindi ako mag-a-apply at itatry ito. So, pinasa ko na yung aking intro bid. Kung hindi ko rin alam kung nasan ako. Being a mom with 2 kids, saan na ako ngayon, di ba? Kung di ako nag-apply. So, buti na lang nag-apply ako.